Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to log out or sign out from Microsoft account in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very simple video. So let's go. First of all, just go to start and just right click on your profile picture or the account, right click on it. Okay, now here we find change account setting. Just click on the change account settings. Okay, here is our account information. Here we find account settings. In account setting, we find stop signing into all Microsoft apps automatically. Just click at here and we are sign out from our Microsoft account. Just click at here. In few seconds, we are sign out from our account. Okay, now just go to the close it. Now just go to the here, just right click on it and change account settings once again. Now here we find it is asking us to sign in into the Microsoft account. So guys, this is the simplest way to log out or sign out from Microsoft account in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.